know some of you were hurt because of my, because of my words, because of what I'm telling you, because of the truth that I'm telling you. The truth that I'm telling you. But I answered that and I said that because I want you to grow. Okay? You know, physically, I really appreciate the level 4 because physically you look mature already. You know, alam mo one for example is Miss Chwaya, Carmela. Carmela, hindi siya ganun. Kahapon nga, di ba, tinignan pa kita, sabi ko, sino yung pagsinig ko nila pagbayang sa akin, Miss Chwaya pala yun. So, you know, physically, I hope mentally, sure. Okay? And, sorry for those students who might hurt. Okay? And I hope tatatakin sa inyo, not because galit ako sa inyo, but because I want you to grow and I want you to learn. Okay? You know me naman in the area and in the classroom, and if ever I'll scold you or something na galit ako sa inyo, that's only for the classroom or in the clinical area. After that, friends ulit sa lahat. Okay? And then, lastly, ako sinibalitin. Lastly, you have to still study hard because this is your final year in order for you to achieve your goal to be an RN. So please study hard and make sure you will pass course with the level 4 and then after that you have to pass the board exam. And I will really pray for you. Okay? Siyempre, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Alam ko mga first years. Pero after the years, yung nakalimutan. But still, I know your faces. Diba? All of you were under me when we were in third year, right? In the classroom and in the clinical area. STM, tama? And then, so, yun. You also pray, no? Even though you don't have, even though you are good theoretically, and if you don't pray, it's not yet enough. Okay, you have to pray. I know you can do it as Jordan says, just do it. Jordan naman sabi na. So, I hope makita tayo anywhere in the world. Alam ko naman most of you and I think all of you will go abroad. You took up years because of you want to go abroad, diba? Last week, okay. Eh, makikita ko pa rin si Miss Linatok sa Japan. And Miss Gonzales sa California. And Miss Punar. Hindi sa Cuba. Sa Africa. So thank you very much for your time and God bless us all.